Welcome back. Today we are creating templates for light. So we are going to start with a pie pan, and there is actually a different use for these in the entertainment realm. We can make what's called a donut out of them, so that way we isolate the light when we use a template or what's also known as a gobo. Today's purposes, though, we are going to actually be using the pie pan to create a template. So I placed our logo, just the wording again, on the pan, and then I used a needle, and you can use like a push pin, whatever's easiest for you. But I created little holes in this option because I use this to create two different templates. So this is going to give us one way that we can reflect the light, which gives us more of that polka dot illuminated appearance. And I gelled the light that I used. You do have to kind of focus it a little bit. Um, I did not fully focus this 100%, so it's super crisp. So I do apologize that it's a little fuzzy, but you can play with the light and how far you throw it and create a sharper image. You can do anything as intricate as this, or you can create something easier like a heart or different designs. So from here, I decided I was going to cut this out. So now we're going to allow more light through the template. And this gives you another option if you decide to do this. So that way you can have the image cut out, and this is a lot more detailed. So for this, you want to use a blade of some kind to cut through. And the reason I did those dots then was so that way I can connect the dots as I cut around. And it makes it so it's a little bit easier. If there's any jagged edges, you can kind of fold it back with the back end of the blade, so long as you are obviously cautious. This is a piece of art geared more towards our older audience, so be safe with those utensils. This is what it looks like then. So we pull the image apart, and this gives us a much brighter image, and it allows for the light to shine through a lot deeper, and it just looks pretty cool, I think. And so I want you guys to get creative, have some fun with it, and see if you can make it colorful or not. And I will see you tomorrow.